Hello everyone, this is Shiva back with another new video. Now we are going to continue the P5JS tutorial series. Now I know it has been a long videos, just couple more topics are left, and after this I'll stop and move on to another topic, and after a few days after we will learn in depth about P5JS. Now this will take a month or 3 months or something. I told you in the starting, so probably I'm not going to do the whole detail about P5. I'm just telling the basics, not kind of basics, some topics. Okay, now after a couple of months we will be back with some more study about P5s. Now there are a couple of more videos left. This is not the last one. Okay, let's jump into the video. Now in the previous video we wrote this beautiful text on a canvas and we learned how to increase and reduce the size of it. Now in this video we are going to change the color of it, play around with the text and use variables in this. So I am also going to show you about comments in today's video. So it's going to be a long video, probably a nice video. So let's jump it without wasting any time. So we usually change the colors of the shapes using the fill statement and probably text also with the fill statement. Yeah, you're correct. So let's put the fill statement. Now you might be thinking, why do we give 3 values in fill statement? Now for red, green, that are defined colors, so we just write them in quotes. But if we want some variation in that shades, why do we give 3 values? Now there is something known as RGB. So what RGB means is R stands for red color and G stands for green color and blue stands for blue color. So that's the rate of red, green and blue in the color. So those are 3 values, and the range of these values vary from 0 to 255, means 0 to 255. So that's the range we keep. Now if you keep everything as 0 0 0, now if everything is blank, oh sorry, I put yeah. Now if we put everything as 0 and 0 and 0, this will probably be in black. Yeah. Now we are not giving any color, 0 0 0 means. So if we give all colors in extreme, 255, 255 and 255, this should be white. Yeah, see, no text is visible. Now if I change the background color to 0, which means black, now the text must be visible in white color. Yeah, there you go. So let's keep it like this. No, this is ugly. So 255, and let's give a color here. What is better? I like red the most, so 230 and 50. Let's see. Yeah, it's red. I like this shade, so let's keep this. Now you can put many more colors, so I choose this shade. Okay, now this how you change the color of the text. Now let's move on how to play with our text. So now obviously we use the mouse X and mouse Y coordinates. Sorry, not coordinates. These are probably known as constants. Mouse Y. Okay, now just let's run our code. Here is our text. Ooh, hello world is here. See, it's moving with our cursor. Now this is we are using mouse X and mouse Y. Now what if we want our code to be written in multiple times? Let's just remove this and put 1 5 and then 366 means 183. Yes. Okay. Now what if we want our code to be written in multiple times? Now that's just easy. We just copy paste our code. Now all of these is in one place. So we need to change this values. Oh. But this is taking a lot while to change the values and then change the text if we want. So that's not what we want. Now here comes variables. Now let's write let's keep the text equals, for our understanding, let's keep var text equals. No. We can't keep it as text because already there's a command known as text. So we'll keep it as msg, which is known as message equals. Now always strings should be written in quoted lines. Where's my and we just replace this hello world. Oh my god, something's happening today with me. Okay, msg. I hope this should work. Yeah, got that. Now we copy paste this code. You try to understand what I am doing. At the end you will get to know why I am doing this. What the hell? Okay, I copy pasted it. Yeah, now this should happen. Okay, 3 times is enough. Let's take a even number. Okay, 4 times. Now we need to change these coordinates, of course. Let's keep the first one at 50, the next one at 100, next one at 150, next one at 200. Let's see. Perfect. Now it will be better if we use 100 space gap. 100, then 200, then 300, then again 400. Oh my god, where's the fourth text? I think so the y-axis length is not that much. So something really happened today. Okay, let me quickly change the coordinates and come back. Okay, now that I changed the coordinates, this is looking a bit superb. Now what happened previously is, if I want to change this hello world into hello audience, hello viewers, like for you guys, now I need to change hello viewers, then delete this msg and tell hello viewers. Now I need to do that 4 times. To make our work easy, we have assigned the variable msg, and the value we change here will be changed in these 4 text comments. So let's quickly try that. So hello viewers. Okay, now see, we have got it. Now I'll write something else. Please subscribe. Yeah, please subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed. So the next thing what I wanted to tell, so let's keep Oopsies. Okay, our channel name, the Learning Arcade. Oh, let me quickly arrange that. Okay, now that I have arranged it in a correct order. Now the next thing I wanted to tell you is about comments. Yeah, you heard it correct, comments. Now with comments is what is something the coding language ignores it, and it is for the understanding for our humans. Now what if a person who does not even know about coding and sees your program? He needs to understand what is happening, right? So that's why we put in comments. Now you remember when we drawed Alex in the starting, our very beautiful face, uh, we did something like slash slash this one, and we wrote eyes, nose. Now that is what something known as comments. So let's just talk about it. Okay, so the thing how we write the comment is just by putting, I don't know if you guys can see, two like slash or dash, whatever you say, and write whatever you want in there, and nothing happens to your code. Now this is just for human understanding. Whatever you write in here is just for the human to read. Now if you write the same thing, something right here, it will show error. See, unexpected identifier. So that's why we have used comments. Now if you try to say the some person who is reading your code, that this text messages display the message known as the learning arcade. So you will write the below thing is writing the learning arcade on the canvas. Now this is what you are trying to tell the user reading your code, but it says error and he does not see anything known as the learning arcade. So if you comment out these lines, the human will be able to read and your code will not be disturbed. Now that's the advantage of comments. See, your code is not disturbed and the user can read this. Now you think that I don't know coding and I don't know anything, and I came to read your project. Now this will be the situation. Now he'll tell, oh wow, what a great code, but I'm not understanding anything. Oh, something is written. The below thingies are writing the learning arcade on the canvas. Oh, means these are writing this on the canvas. Okay. So like this he can understand the code. Now this is writing a line with comments. Now what if you want to write multiple lines? Now you have written something and you want to enter, but it does not work. Now for this we have another type of comment, for which you need to put one dash and a multiplication symbol or asterisk, and in the next line you need to put a multiplication symbol or a asterisk and close it. Now if you press enter and write whatever here, press enter whatever you want and go up whatever you want you write, nothing will happen. You keep on pressing enter, keep on writing. Like this you can write a paragraph explaining your code. Now this is about the comments. For writing one line of comment, you use this, and for writing a paragraph or multiple lines, you use this, press enter, use this, press enter, use this, press enter, and you can do how much here you want. Your patience and your something, I don't know. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed it. In the next video, we are going to learn a different and new topic in P5JS, which probably is needed to make something cool and interesting. Now I will just show you the means what is the main thing we are doing. Probably not. Should I or should not I? Okay, let's keep it as suspense. In the next video you will be getting to know what is that thing. It will be interesting, and in making animations it really helps. So okay guys, see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.